This event was super awesome. Basically, just had some time off for Thanksgiving, and I love coming back to the community. Kind of like just giving back to where I came from, and it's fun. It's really fun for me because I've been so inspired by all these dancers, and it's always good to come back and see the growth that they've done and stuff. Make sure you subscribe to The Dominic Show and follow me on Twitter because every single one of you guys count.